No, that's
Snorkeling adventure today.
He says it's better.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because this used to be his. And then he got that one, and he said, yeah, his back does not.
You know, sometimes when you book these types of adventures in advance, you're not sure what the weather's going to be like. You know, it can be overcast, could be rainy. Right now, this day couldn't be any clearer, so I think we hit a good day.
Our good friend that lives in Portugal.
Now we're going to go to a turtle sanctuary here in Gili, Manos. There's only 2 sanctuaries on the island here, and this is where they collect them, raise them before they set them off.
Care about the generation of the turtle. Yeah, so that's why we have sanctuary here. We are care about the generation of the turtle. And I think you guys know, when the baby turtle coming up from the ground, mostly they direct to the ocean, right? But on our place, especially this island, yeah, if the baby turtle coming up from the ground.
Oh, let's stop baby turtles. Oh, look at those little guys. Go. 4 different tubs. The one there on the left is those turtles are 2 weeks old. Second tub, the turtles are 1 month old. And you come over here to the third. These are 2 months old. And these guys are 3 months old. Wow. All right, so our snorkeling adventure is over. We had 3 great spots. Got to see so much fish, coral, turtles, the statues. Absolute home run. The guides were awesome. The boat driver was wonderful. The current was a little strong from time to time, so sort of keep your bearings, you know, when you're out there snorkeling because you're not seeing everybody. But an absolute home run. We hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. And as always, keep dreaming. Travel safe.
Never get the loving that you needed. Could have left, but I called and you heeded. Begged and I pleaded. Mission complete.